Rubik's Cube. Boom. Feet. Boom. Rubik's Cube and feet. Let's try it. Welcome my guest feet who are going to be mixing up the Rubik's Cube for me today.
Hi, I'm Bob.
And I'm Larry.
Sorry, that was really dumb.
You have faceless feet. Your feet do not have faces.
Guys, I need help.
Alright, now it's time to fix this. I put on Crypty socks for this. No, I'm not sponsored by Sky Zone. You can see the timer.
On your
Crypty.
mic. Set. Go.
Alright, start with the white side. Come on.
This looks sadly difficult.
It is sadly difficult. You don't have to stand here and watch me the whole time.
Oh, believe me, I don't think it. Just wanted to make sure you want to do that side.
There we go. One piece. Alright, there's another one. A minute. 2 pieces. Yeah. It's not quite been a minute. Alright, so...
Wow. He's almost got the white cross. He's halfway to the white cross.
halfway to the white cross. Normally would have been done far before this. Come on. Alright, okay, so both of the pieces are lined up. So...
I think it's gonna take you like an hour.
Yes, it's gonna take me like an hour. Alright, blue, green, white cross is done. 2 minutes in and I haven't even finished the white side.
I am leaving now. Goodbye.
See ya in an hour or 2. White corner. Boom. No.
Wow.
No, it's not even in place yet.
Oh, whoops.
White corner. Boom. You know, there's some people who have done it with their feet in 1.5 minutes. Not even done with the white side. And it's been over 3 minutes. I'm not gonna be done for another couple minutes. Alright, so this piece goes with that piece right there. I feel like I have to give progress marks at every piece I get in the right spot. Oh no, what did I do? I forgot what I'm doing. Why am I doing this?
Because you want views.
Yeah, that's true. If I don't have videos, I can't get views. Foot content! Yay, people love foot content.
They do?
No.
I've never watched a video of feet on purpose.
This is hard. Come on. You can get there. Good boy, good boy. I am resolved to get this done in under 30 minutes. I might not, but I'm going to try. I'm doing the yellow cross right now. It's only been 11 minutes. This isn't taking that long. I could have done the cube 15 times by now. Not quite, but pretty close. Right, now just line up the yellow corners. Hopefully I get a few pattern skips. That would be awesome. Yeah, I've got this in under 30 minutes. Can I do it without looking? Nope, I can't. I can't tell if I'm turning or not. If you're enjoying this, please leave a like. This is hard. Turn, turn, turn. There we go. the yellow side. Imagine doing it blindfolded with your feet. That would be very difficult. Can't even do it normally blindfolded. I've got this in under 20 minutes. Maybe I'll have to do it some other weird way.
You're not struggling.
I know.
You're not dramatic.
What would have happened if I did it with every piece had a razor blade on the end?
You would not do it.
Just a few more turns. And done. 17 minutes.
Wow.
It only took me 17 minutes to solve the cube.
I was expecting a lot more than that.
Me too. Wow. Now what am I supposed to do? Thanks for watching, I guess. That was easier than expected. Maybe next time I'll do it with like my nose or something. Something crazy. Or if you have other video ideas, comment them down below. And I'll see you next time.
Goodbye.